Good day, guys. Let me quickly show you how you can connect your wallet, your exchange to your Hamster Kombat. Yes, to your Hamster Kombat account. Now, many people has been asking me messages on how they can connect their exchange to Hamster Kombat account. It's very simple. Just click on this airdrop. See it here. You click on the airdrop. As you can see, scroll down. These are the different type of exchange we can connect to. You can use Binance, OKX, Bybit, then wallet, Telegram wallet. You know that one on EBI. I've not seen that one before. Then on-chain airdrop. The on-chain airdrop is all this Stonekeeper, my Stonekeeper. You understand? So although we've initially connected our Stonekeeper to it before, now you already know, but we can connect. We must connect exchange to it. So how do we do it? Binance, you can use that, but OKX is not advisable. You know, they already left Nigeria. So Bybit is what majority are using, or you can still use your wallet in Telegram. Depend on your whichever one you want to do it. So now, after you've decided whichever one you want to use, or you can see I've ticked the Bybit exchange has already been ticked, which means I've done my home. Now you can see the KYC needed. It means you must have verified your Bybit account. At least level 1 is okay. Your KYC. So once you've decided you want to go with Bybit, click on the Bybit. Once you click on the Bybit, it's going to ask you that do you have an account with Bybit already? If you have, you click on you have. If you don't have it, it's going to ask you to create. So once you have, you are good to go. Just do the necessary thing by filling these items. So for me, there are three things we need here, which is our Bybit UID and the memo of the Hamster Kombat deposit address. You understand? Now, how do we do it? Let's go to our Bybit account. Just blah blah blah. You can read through them. You can read whatever you see. Snapshot, blah blah. You understand? So now let's go to our Bybit exchange. So our Bybit exchange, our Bybit account. So this is our Bybit. The first thing you need to do, you copy your UID. You go to your profile. You click on it. You see the UID at the top. The UID at the top here. Once you click on this overlap button, you see it copied successfully. You copy that one. You come to Hamster Kombat. You paste it. You see, you paste it here. Bybit UID. You paste it there. Then the next thing, you go back to your Bybit wallet exchange. We go back. Then we click on deposit. Click on deposit. You can click from asset. You can click from home, whichever way. This is the asset I'm talking about. You can click from asset. You see this is deposit here, and you can, if you are still on your home button, you can click on deposit. You are still the same thing. You see deposit. You click with deposit with crypto. Let me go back. Deposit with crypto. Deposit crypto. So this is the Hamster Kombat short form. You can search for Hamster. You understand? But the short form is HMS, which is their code entirely. You see it on their page. You see it there. You see it, Hamster Kombat. You see Hamster Kombat. You click on it. So once you click on it, you see, make sure the chain type you make deposit to is the one you understand, which means you must select tone. It automatically is tone. You click on tone. So now this is the address. This is the wallet address. To ensure seamless deposit experience, ensure you understand. This just, you need to read just like what you read before, that the wallet must be on tone. So we click on OK. Just the same way we copy it. See the overlapping button here, the overlapping icon. You click on it. You see copied successfully at the top. Then you go back to our Hamster Kombat deposit area. You paste it here. You see this overlap button here. You paste it. You click on it. You paste it there. Then next to it, we go back. You see the memo or tag. It's the same. If you see memo, it's the same thing. If you see tag, it's the same thing. Click on the memo or tag, the overlap button. You see copied successfully. And then once you go back to our Hamster Kombat. We go back to memo and we paste it here. Piam. So once we paste it, it will ask us to request to Bybit. It will ask you to send request to Bybit. As on my own case now, you can see request to Bybit was sent. So which means I've already sent my, on your own, if you haven't done it yet, you just say send to Bybit. You understand? Send request to Bybit. And once you do that, you are done with that. So that is how to connect your Hamster Kombat Bybit to your Hamster Kombat wallet. So that is that. It's very simple and straightforward.